Let's see top news headline. Starting with the school news. Third round of senior debate competition held in Arias. Prize distribution was held in Arias on 2nd December for the debate competition. Some CBSE related news. CBSE not to award any division distinction to student in exam board. CBSE expected to announce date for class 10 and 12 board exams soon. Some national news. PM Modi to unveil Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue at Rajkot Fort on December 4. Pollution woes continue in Delhi as air quality remains very poor. Some international news. Over 20 nations call for the tripling of nuclear energy. More than 100 Rohingya refugees land in Indonesia. Some entertainment news. Ranbir Kapoor film Animal meant ₹116 crore, set record for non-holiday release. Pushpa the Rule shooting postponed due to the Allu Arjun's health. Some sports news. Amit Panghal Shiva Thapa win title in national boxing. France health coach Didier Deschamps to miss Euro 2024 draw. Some educational news. Over 2.5 lakh candidate to appear for HTET. IIT Delhi certificate course in data science and ML registration to end soon. And some other news. Retired US Justice Sandra Day O'Connor, the first woman on the US Supreme Court, passes away at 93. Over 18 flight to Delhi diverted due to the poor visibility. Let's meet after a short break. Let's see these news headlines in detail. Starting with school news. Third round of senior debate competition was held on 30th of November, where students spoke with full enthusiasm. Medal and certificates were distributed to the winners of this debate competition on the 2nd of December, where Humanity and Harmony was won. Some CBSE news. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE will not award any division distinction to students in the class 10 and 12 exam board. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE is expected to soon announce the date for the class 10 and 12 board exam, scheduled to take place early next year. Some national news. PM Narendra Modi is set to inaugurate the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj at Rajkot Fort in Maharashtra Sindhudurg on Monday, 4th December 2023. The air quality in Delhi continued to be a cause of concern for the residents as several areas recorded very poor level of pollution on Saturday morning. Some international news. More than 20 countries called for the tripling of world nuclear energy capacity at UN climate talks on Saturday as part of effort to achieve net zero emission by 2050. More than 100 Rohingya refugees, including women and children, landed in Indonesia, westernmost province on Saturday. Officials said, but locals were threatening to push them back to Chile. Some entertainment news. Ranbir Kapoor's Animal is off to a massive start globally. The Sandeep Reddy Vagga film, which released in theatre on December 1, has created history in delivering by biggest opener for a non-holiday release for a Hindi film. Sukumar's upcoming film Pushpa the Rule with Allu Arjun, Rasmika Mandan, Fateh Fasil and others reprising their role is one of the most awaited sequels. Some sport news. Continuing his impressive run, Tokyo Olympian Amit Panghal defeated Ansul Punya to win the national title 51 kg in Shillong on Friday. France head coach Didier Deschamps won't attend Saturday draw for the next year's European Championship after undergoing surgery. Some educational news. More than 2.5 lakh candidates were expected to appear for the Haryana Teacher Eligibility Test HTET over the next 2 days at 856 centers set up across the state. The Indian Institute of Technology IIT Delhi certificate course in data science and machine learning registration will close on December 6, 2023 on the official website. Some other news. Retired US Supreme Court Justice Sandra Day O'Connor, an unwavering voice of moderate conservatism and the first woman to serve on the nation's highest court, died on 1st December. She was 93. More than 18 flights scheduled to land in Delhi has been diverted to the other cities due to the poor visibility of fog enveloped the national capital on Saturday morning. Stay connected with RES News channel. Thank you.